Yo guys, Features Gaming here. Welcome back to another video here on the channel, and today we are back on Roblox playing Math Obby because, as many of you probably know, I don't go to school now because I am 20, so I finished school, but I kind of want to see if I actually still understand my maths, so that is what we're going to be doing today. So it looks like we have 5 stages. We have an addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And then finally over here we have challenge. So I'm going to go ahead and play through this today. I think we're going to do it in order. So yeah, level 1 is addition, and then 2 is subtraction, 3 is multiplication, 4 is division, and then obviously 5 is the challenge one. So I think without further ado, we should start with addition. So let's go in here and we should be teleported. So 2 plus 2, that is, well, obviously 4, that one. And then we've got a bit of an obby to complete before we get to the next question. So I think I have actually played this on a stream, but I honestly have no idea how to, finish, these, if you see what I mean. 7 plus 4, that is 11. So let's go ahead and walk through here. And then we have another bit of a quick obby. So yeah, these are pretty, easy questions. 6 plus 3, that is 9. So we'll go ahead and do that. And then again, another bit of a weird obby. Okay, I didn't do that. It sends you back to the start. Really? Have I not been hitting any checkpoints? Oh, that is going to be annoying if I have to redo the entire thing over and over again. Oh, God. Okay, well, we'll do this. This was 11, obviously. And then we had to do this. And then the next one was 9, wasn't it? If I remember the thing. Yeah, that was 9. All right, so let's go ahead and do this obby a bit more carefully. So we need to jump diagonally to avoid those. Okay, 8 plus 5, that is 13. There we go. And then we jump over here. That one was a bit, that one was a bit more trickier because obviously all of the solutions were kind of quite close to each other. But obviously, if you have a good brain, then you should be able to do it. 9 plus 7, that is 16. Let's go through there. And then we jump on these brick things, I think. There we go. 13 plus 5, that is 18. So let's go through here. And then we need to jump on a few more bricks or whatever they're called. There we go. Okay, so now we're getting on to a few more complicated ones. 12 plus 11, that is 23. Okay, and then we have a bit more of a weird obby. Here we go. Let's just go ahead and do this. 16 plus 14, that will be 30, because the way I would, knew that straight away is 6 plus 4, that's 10. And then obviously, so I just looked for the solution that had a 0 at the end, which obviously in this case is 30. So let's go ahead and jump over these once again. There we go. 19 plus 15. So obviously you do the same thing. You do the 5 plus 9, which is a 4. So you look for the ones that are 4. And then obviously you have the 10 and you carry it over. So it should be 34. There we go. And then we just go ahead and jump on some of these. Who said you aren't going to learn anything from playing games? 21 plus 21. That is 42, I think. Yeah. Just double checking that. And that is level 1 complete. So I think without further ado, we go to subtraction now, which is level 2. 5 minus 3, that is 2. There we go. And then again, we have a bit of a obby that we need to complete. So these obby questions are a little bit more trickier to try and do now. But we managed to do it. 9 minus 5 is 4. So we'll walk through here. And then once again, we have a bit of a weird obby here. So let's go ahead and jump all of that. There we go. 14 minus 6, that is 8. There we go. And then we go ahead and jump up here. And then we go over here, and down here. There we go. Awesome. 17 minus 11, that should be 6. There we go. And then once again, we have a bit of a weird jump over here. There we go. 23 minus 18. Okay, so this one's going to be a bit more tricky for me because my big brain can't handle this. Well, it's not going to be 41. You need to do the 3 minus the 8. So, give me a moment to work it out. I think it should be 9. I'm just going to go 9. Is that correct? No, it isn't. Okay, it must be 5 then. So, It must be 5 then. By process of elimination, it isn't going to be 41, so there we go. And I know that I'm going to get a lot of hate in the comments for that, you know, going, you're 20 and can't work out that. Okay, yeah, I may be stupid. Yeah, I effectively forgotten everything I learned at school, okay? I can do basic maths, but not something like that. And I think it was because of the 3 and the 8 thing at the end that was really confusing me. 30 minus 15, that's effectively just halving it, so it's going to be 15. There we go. So we have a bit more of a obby here. So let's just go ahead and do that. 47 minus 24, it will end in a 3. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Yeah, so it should be 23, that one. There we go. And then we go ahead and do that. And that's another thing as well, like, because of my autism, my brain doesn't really work that quick. So it does take me quite a while to, you know, like, subtract everything. And sometimes, you know, I actually have to use my fingers to, you know, like, do basic things. And literally, like, when I'm editing something, I literally have to count on my fingers, like, if I need to, you know, move the playhead a specific frame. So yeah, it gets a little bit, you know, interesting. But the next question is 52 minus 13. That should end in a 9. So just by process of elimination, it should just be 39. There we go. That's an easy one to do. I'm going to go on the edge here because I don't think you're supposed to go up the middle. There we go. 76 minus 32. That should end in a 4. Now, is it 34 or 44? So now we do the 7 minus 3. 7, 6, 5, 4. Should be 44. There we go. So let's jump over here. Okay, these like obby type parts of the things are getting a little bit tricky now. 18 minus 26. That should be 54. Wait, 8. Yeah, 54. Then that was subtraction complete. So now we go to multiplication, which is not my strongest point. 2 times 1, I think that's 2. There we go. It's not doubling it because that'll be 3 times 2. Oh gosh, here we go. We've got a bit of a speed up now. 3 times 2, that's doubling it, so that should be 6. There we go. Okay, we've got a bit more of a interesting obby here. I really don't actually, I can't actually see where I'm going, but we managed to do that. 4 times 3, 4, 8, 12. I think. There we go. And again, we have a bit more of a, I think it's like space themed, which actually looks quite cool to be fair. So let's just go ahead and do this. There we go. 5 times 5, 25. I know that one. So let's go ahead and do that. And then we go over here. There we go. 6 times 5, 30. Because basically what I do for that is I just do 6 times 10, which obviously is 60, and then just half it. It's pretty easy when you know, timesing 5, 5. Oh, it's on the 7 times table. Yeah, the 17 times table isn't my strongest point. 7 times 7. My immediate instinct is that it's 35. No. Either 35 or 49. It's definitely not going to be 14, but let me work it out. I think it's actually leaning more towards 49. 7, 8, no, 17, 14, 21, 29. After 29, I get stuck. Well, basically, 7 times 10 is 70. Your half 70 is 35, and then it'll be 42. Yeah, it should be 49, basically. There we go. Again, I hate my 7 times table. That is probably one of my weakest times table, and I just completed the, I failed the thing. Brilliant. We have to go through and do the entire thing again. I really wish there were checkpoints in this game. So as I was saying, yeah, everyone I think has their, you know, like, you know, their weakest times table. I did it. How did I do that again? I thought it dips down. Does it not? Does it not actually dip? Oh, hold on. It's not even like a slanted one. Okay. That's probably why I failed. But as I was saying, everyone has their, no, don't you even dare. Don't you even. It's not even the maths that's even that hard in this thing. It's just the obbies. As I've been trying to say for the previous few times that we've completed it, that as I said, you know, everyone has their weakness of times tables. You know, some, you know, don't like 8, some don't, you know, don't like 9. My hardest probably times table to get to grips with is either the 8 times table or the 7 times table. I don't know why. I just don't like the 7 times table. Anyway, on to the next question. 9 times 8. My instinct is saying 72, but we'll work it out. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72. Easy. bossed it. Right. Is that going to be the end of the level? No, we still have one more question over there. And I already know what the answer to the next question is. I already know what it is. It's 11 times 3, which is, of course, 33. So let me just go ahead and do that. So, yeah, 11 times 3, 33. You just times the number, what it's being times by, and just add another number onto the end of it. It's just simple. So let's go ahead and do this. Again, a bit more of a tricky obby, that one. 7 times 3. Well, I mean, I could just switch to 3, but I think I know this is 21. 7, yeah, 21, easy, not 24. I was thinking about 3 times table for a second then. I don't know why. So we'll just go ahead and quickly complete all of this. Oh my god. Really? Now I'm all the way back at the start doing these before I can get back to the stage I was on. I literally know all the answers though to like these questions when I don't even have to work it out because I've already done it and it's literally me just running through the entire thing. I mean, I do need, a slight peek at the, the thing just so I know which one, what the question one was. It's not so me that, I have to work it out. I just have to refresh my memory of which one it was and then just run through the correct door. So yeah. We are finally back at the next question, but let's just try and not fail as we head back there, as that will be quite tragic. This one was 72, of course it was. And then we do this one. But yeah, I really wish that they added checkpoints, but I guess that would just mean that it'll be a bit easier for, to do. And, that, there's a bit more of like a consequence, like if you get it wrong, which I guess is kind of good for, those that kind of want to try and challenge themselves. But yeah. Let's go through here. And now we have this obby that I got stuck on. So what did I need to do? I need to jump up here and then jump up there. Then jump down here, jump up there, jump down here. And I think that's the end. Right, 10 times 5, that is 50. You all know that one. And that is multiplication done. And now we're on to the second to final one, which is division. Now, division is probably one of my weakest points of maths. But 8 divided by 4, you just half it. That's 4, easy as you like. And then we have, again, a little bit of a interesting obby here. I think he has a wall jump that for a second, but it looks like you just have to jump over it, which is fine. There we go. Halving is all right. Like, I know that's 11. Yeah, halving, is fine. But, okay, right, these move. Halving is fine. It's like when you get to, like, more than 2, and then that's when it kind of gets a little bit complicated. So, yeah. 36 divided by 2, I think that's 12, because I just do 6 divided by 3, which I think is 2. Yeah, 2, and then obviously that should just mean in terms, then it's going to be 12. I don't know how my brain works like that, it just does. But yeah, multiplication is probably, as I said, one of my strongest, or one of my weakest points of maths. But there we go. 120 divided by 5. Sometimes I do like trial and error. Like I do 5 times whatever these are to try and work it out. And I think this one is 25 because 5 times 10 is 50. So it can't be that. 5 times 17, it doesn't even reach 100. So by process by elimination, it just be, 5 times 25 has to be 125. So there you go. Easy as you like. Yeah, a few times it is, just trial and error. But yeah, some of the ones that we may get up to in this thing, I might have to think about. Also on the settings, I've turned hide players off. So if coincidentally, I mean, there's only like another person on the server, but if coincidentally both of us are on the same thing, I wouldn't be able to, know the answer from them. 200 divided by 4. Well, I knock off one of the zeros and just do 20 divided by 4, which is, well, yeah, 4. And so then I just add the 0, which is 40. It's not 40. Wait, okay, I need to have a look at that question again. 200 divided by 4. Well, of course, it has to be one of those. I don't know. 20 divided by 4. Wait, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Wait, that'll be 40 to get to 10. And then you would double it, I think, to get to 20. And then you add 100 to it. Am I overthinking this? I don't know. Well, it can't be 40 because we went through that door and it was wrong. I'm thinking 60. It can't be 50 because it's not divided by 5. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 25, no, 24, 26. What? It would just be 40. I don't know why I'm trying to overthink this. Right, 40 is 10. It has to be 60, hasn't it? I'm just if it's not 60, then everything I know about maths is wrong. It's 50. Okay. When we get back there, I'll do the multiplication and see if it adds up, because I actually have no idea. While I'm running through these questions, I may as well say the only GCSE that I actually, well, I say kind of passed, got a 3 in, was maths. So if I now not know anything about maths, which is the GCSE I got a grade C in, then I have no idea. If I got a grade C in maths, or for whatever the equivalent is, and can't even do this, then something's wrong with me. So if we do 50 times 4, 8, well, okay, so 40, 80, wait, 40, 80, 120. Oh yeah, of course it is. My bad, I didn't see that. I thought if it was 50, it had to be divided by like a, you know, like an odd number. I guess I was wrong about that then, but we move on. No worries. 90 divided by 2, you just half it, which is 45. There we go. Yeah, I kind of know when it's going to be snowy that it's going to be some sort of speed up. 75 divided by 5. Okay, now we're getting into some things. However, I think this is 15. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55... 60, 65, 70, 75. Yeah, 15. Awesome. Okay. And then we have another quick obby. So let's just go ahead and do this. Oh, this is a wall jump. Okay. There we go. And then jump, jump. Another wall jump, jump. And we're on to the next question. 56 divided by 2. Again, you're halving this. None of the solutions match up. Wait. Oh, wait. You're going to be divided by 5. Divided by 5 is 25. You divide by 3, which is 3. You add the 3 on, it's 28. There we go. Challenge yourself. Oh, no, not this. Okay, I didn't know what I was meant to do. Okay, let's go back. Oh, my God. I said it. The challenging part of this obby is not even the math. It's the obbies in between that, that are really challenging me, okay? Yes, I get stuck on the questions too, but the most challenging part for me, honestly, afterwards is then doing an obby. Oh my goodness, I just thought I was just going through the right thing and then move on to the next question. No, you actually have to do like an obby in between. Yeah, as you can see, totally forgot about this game, and now I need to get back to where I was. Honestly, looking back on this now, it makes sense that it's actually 50. I don't know why I didn't catch on that before. I really don't know why it took me so long to actually work that out. Oh gosh, well, it's done, it's dusted. Feel free to roast me in the comments that I don't know my math, because you are true, but as I said, there's many things that I've forgotten from when I was at school to real life situation. Right, we're back at this, so I'm going to let it to roll over again, because I think I might actually know what I need to do now. So I need to jump on this, go to the edge, and then try and jump. And then I need to try and time it right, so I'll go onto there, nice. And then I go onto here, I'll wait for this to come around again. Come on. Oh, I've just seen that you could actually just take that. I've just seen that you can actually just take, like a more easier version. Oh, wait. No. Let's come around again. Oh, wait. Okay, never mind. Hop. Go on to there. Oh, gosh. No! Okay, I'm just going to take that. All right, I'm just going to take the thing. Okay, I need to get back there. That is tricky, though, to get your head around that. Right, we're back here. So, as I said, I'm just going to take this. I literally cannot be bothered. I did try taking the hard thing, but I don't know how you get around there. I suppose what you do is when you get there, you just jump. But I don't know how that works. Anyway, oh my goodness. Okay, this is a bit of a weird question. I'm immediately drawn to 70. I don't know why, but 560 divided by 8. Okay. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Actually, can I do 8 times 500 and... No, I can't do that. I need to do 8 times thingy, which should get me 560. Okay, let's try and work this out. 8 times 7, 8, 16, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 52. So 52, that, yeah, 50, no, wait, 52. Wait, that's not, wait, no, right, hold on. Right, 40, 48, 56, sorry. Gotta be 70, right? Because then you times it by 2. Well, I'm not dead. So that means that it's correct. Hey, I know math. Well, so I should do, but as we've seen from previous questions, that was wrong. So now we've got a bit of a quick obby to complete. No issue for me. There we go. And this is the final question. 240 divided by 6. Again, my mind's being drawn to 40 because it ends in a 0. But we'll once again we'll just check it just to make sure. I mean 40. I mean it doesn't really make a difference, but if 6 times 4 is 24, which 6, 12 times 2 is 24. Yeah, it just has to be 40. Of course it does. And I did level 4. And now we move on to level 5, which is challenge. And if I was kind of messing up a little bit on multiplication and division, I don't know how I'm going to fare. So I think everyone has probably skipped to this part in the video. Hello from all of you who have joined. And we're going to go through these. Oh, okay. Yeah, these are going to have to involve some things. You know what? Let me just quickly get a notebook. I don't really know why I need a notebook, but we're just going to have one just in case. So let me just find a clear page. Honestly, I haven't used this for ages. So let me just find a clear page. Where is there a clear page? Come on. Find me a clear page. Right, here we go. We've got a clear page here. Right. We need to remember... Well, I think we're going to need to remember BODMAS. So let me just write BODMAS down. So B or BIDMAS. BODMAS. BODMAS means or BIDMAS. I can't remember what B is, but O is either other or indices. D is division, M is multiplication, A is addition, and S is subtraction. So S comes at the end. So we need to do 5 times 2 at the start. 5, 10. Minus 10. Oh, that's an easy one. I didn't even need my notebook for that one, but we'll keep the page open because I feel like we will need it in the future. So let's go ahead and do this. And then we have a bit of an obby to complete. There we go. Let's just do this real quickly. There we go. Okay. 12 divided by 4 times 6. Division comes before every other one. So we need to do 12 divided by 4. And then whatever the outcome of that is times 6. So 12 divided by 4, 4, 8, 12, 3. 3 times 6, 6, 12, 18, I think. Okay, yeah, that is true. Where do I go from here? Do I go here? Oh, yeah, okay, I remember what I need to do. Let's just do this. Shouldn't be too bad. There we go. Final jump. And I think we've pretty much successfully done that. 5 times 9 divided or take away 5. So again, we have to do the 4 times 9 first. 9, 18, 27, 36. 36 divided by, or 36 take away 5 is 31. I don't know why I say divide. There we go. So let's go through here, through here, through here. Is this a maze? Oh my god, it's a maze. I don't feel like I can touch the side. So I'm going to walk down the middle just in case I can't touch the side. Because I think if I touch the side, I might die. So let's just keep going. And I think this is actually the end. Okay, awesome. 8 divided by 2 plus 18. Division comes first. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 plus 18 is 22. So we'll go ahead and walk through here. That was an easy one. Oh, don't say this is going to be one where we have to just, decide which one we want to go for. Okay, it looks like we can do the camera trick then, so it's not too bad. Let's go and check what this one is. Okay, it's not that one, it's not that one. It's this one. I like the ones where you can use the camera trick. Okay, and then we test the things. It might be middle. Okay, it's middle. There we go. 7. Oh my god. 7 times 7, take away 7. Well, multiplication comes first because I know that one. 7 times 7. Immediately, I'm just going to go for 42. That just seems like the most, yeah. It's not going to be 777, and it isn't going to be 0. So I think just realistically, for common sense, just go 42. And if it's not that, then you're screwed, basically. 11 take away 9 plus 23. So we need to do the plus first, at least I think. this is going off bid mass. If not, then it's obviously going to be talking about something else. So 9 plus 23 is, let me work this out. 23, well, you just add 32. 11 take away 32 is, wait, 11 take away 32. It's going to be a negative number. If it's not negative 21, then we're doing it in the order. So let's just have a look. Okay, we're doing it in order then. So actually, bid mass does no longer do a thing. And we actually have checkpoints here, which is nice. So we're actually going to be doing it in order. So my bid mass, screw that. 11 take away 9 is 2. Plus 23, 25. Okay, we're actually doing it in order then. I thought we were actually using bid mass. So I guess that's taken away the stress a little bit. I just have to look at the order. 49 divided by 9 times 3. So 45 divided by 9. That will be, let me just think. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. 5 times 3 is 5, 10, 15, 15. There we go. Oh, okay. Let's go up this way. There we go. 5 times 7 plus 13. 5 times 7, 25. 35 plus 13, 48. There we go. And then we go over here. What's that at the top? Oh, don't say this goes all the way up as well. Oh my god, I actually think it does. Okay, well, let's just mind the lava. Mind all of the lava. We do not want to fall in there. Didn't we go up here? And then this should hopefully lead us down to the next question. Jump there. Awesome. Okay, this is getting a bit too hectic for my brain. Oh my god, 55 divided by 11 is oh my god, this is coming into play. So yeah, let me just go ahead and get to the page I was on, because I'm not going to be able to do this without some working out. 50 divided by 11, well, that is 5, I think. So now we need to do 5 times 27. Okay, it's probably not that bad then, actually. 5 times 27. Well, 5 times 20 is 100. And then that'll be, it's going to be 135, right? Yeah, there we go. Okay, yeah, that wasn't actually too bad, to be fair. I just needed to actually just work out the question a bit better. Are you serious? Oh my gosh, that's 1. That's 1. Do you know how easily I worked that out? Because whatever this number is, times 0. If you times anything by 0, it's 0 plus 1. Ha! You thought you could trick me? You have not tricked me. I have completed the math obby. That last question did actually just scare me slightly, but then I saw the mistake in that. Well, it wasn't really a mistake. I just saw that it was a trick question. Saw the time 0, knew that was 0, and then you have the plus 1 at the end, which is plus 1. And I have defeated the math obby. I think it's fair to say. So, yeah, I'm a math genius. Well, actually, no, I'm not, because I actually failed a division, but there you go. That was me completing the math obby. So I hope you guys did enjoy it. Make sure you drop a like on the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more content as well. And I will see you guys in the next video or stream. But until then, take care and peace out.